Hey guys, I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's project, we're gonna clean up 7 Kraeuter pliers, all graciously donated from Resto Rob. I say we get right into it. I'm excited. Let's go. Let's see, what are we gonna start with? You wanna start with, how about this? We'll start with the ones that we can't dismantle. We'll clean those up the best we can. And then these, of course, we can dismantle. So, yeah, I say we start with these. Alright guys, well, these things cleaned up pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to coat them in some oil, let the oil soak in a bit, get them all real cleaned up. Eventually, all of my Krauters are going to have the Plasti Dip black handles on them. I just want to protect the integrity. All of them with the exception of the extreme vintage ones here with the diamond and the knurling. These are not going to be dunked at all because I like these over any other style of Kraeuter. And yeah. So anyway, anything that's just got a slick handle is going to get the Plasti Dip. So yep, that is that. So I got to remember, because I always put these things on wrong, that the nut end was on the Kraeuter side. So we're going to jump on here and clean these up. These things cleaned up nice too. I mean, of course there's staining and stuff on there, but I mean, these pliers are old, man. They're tools, you know. Damn, they're beautiful. Man, they feel good. Shit, what did I do? Come on, stupid, get it in there. There we go, look at that. Ugh. Alright guys, well, the Krauters are done. Everything's wire wheeled, oiled, cleaned up. A couple of these I threw on the buffer just to get a little bit of extra shine. I think they came out fantastic. Quite happy to have them. Thanks again to Resto Rob. Like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video.